Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to put together this Bissell TurboClean DualPro Pet Carpet Cleaner. Here's everything that comes in the box. So the first thing you're going to do is install the handle. There's no screws required. You're going to line it up like this, push it in until you hear it snaps. If you ever need to take it out, just press that little button and the handle will come out. Up here we have a trigger. When we press the trigger, we're going to get solution coming out around the roller head. Now that the handle's installed, you can rotate this up and you can wrap the cord. It goes right around this big lever here and up. Here's our on-off switch. And also, now that the handle's installed, you can install the clean water tank. It sits right here. There is like a little track for that back part to slide into. Now you're going to add your water and solution here. You don't have to. This is the Easy Fill cap. You don't have to use the Easy Fill solutions. These have a specially designed cap where you don't take that off. You simply just put this on there and press it down and the solution comes out of the bottle. But if you want to use the solution, you can use any Bissell carpet cleaning solution. You just unscrew this like a normal cap and put your water and solution in. So they give you a sample of two solutions. This is the Bissell Pet Stain Odor Antibacterial. We're going to be using this one. So I've got it filled up with clean water. You can use hot water. You don't want it boiling hot, 140 degrees max. So turn your faucet to hot, filled up with hot water. Then we're going to go from this line to that line with formula. So over here, it's got kind of like a center of gravity carry handle. This is where you're going to carry it. It does have two modes of operation. You've got deep clean and express clean. Express clean means it's not going to put as much solution down when you pull the trigger up here. Deep clean, it puts more solution down. Down here's the dirty water tank. This is going to fill up with all the dirty water. Make sure you don't go above the full line. If you go above the full line, there's a float that's going to raise up and kind of you'll hear the motor change. But when you want to empty this, you got to pull straight up and then pull it out. Then you can take this over to the sink. It's got a nice big opening, empty it all out. We can take it apart. We can take this off, take that out and get it all nice and clean. And then when you're done, the dirty water tank, just kind of put it in there and you got to kind of press it down till it snaps. Now it does come with this hose that we can use to clean like upholstery. Lift this lever up right here. You're going to insert it. There's a place where the solution is going to go down the hose and that's the suction. So press in, you'll hear like a little click. And then we can add our attachment. And now I've got suction, and when I press the trigger, I'll have solution come out here. I like that it comes with a vented bag. That way you can, if this stuff is wet, put it in there, it's still gonna dry. Once in a while, you will have to kind of clean the machine, clean this area out right here. That's what this is for. Now this clear part does come off behind the accessory door. You're gonna lift up, and it kind of opens up, rotates out of the way. We can get this all nice and clean. Again, you may have this, there's a little section here where the suction is. You may get some stuff caught in there. That's really easy to clean. When you're done, put these ears back on, line up the ears, and then you have to snap it back into place. Here's what the bottom of the machine looks like. Here's your brush. Now it does say it's 4.9 amps. And this is the pedal you're gonna press so that the handle comes over center. And then here's your power button. You're gonna turn it on till the line position is on, the circle is off. So I hope this unboxing video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.